Hi everyone, I am Dr.A.Amudha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr.S.N.S.RCAS College of Arts and Science. Now we will discuss the concept of function processing step. We already discussed what is meant by a function. Now we move on to that function declaration and function definition. There is a three-step process if you're completing the function process: function declaration, function definition, and function call. The first step, function declaration. If you're using the function concept, the first step is the essential part to declaring a function. That is, inform the compiler the function is available in that particular program. For example, int add of int comma int semicolon. That statement is ended with a semicolon. That is called as a function declaration. The argument list is also optional for if you specified in a variable or without specifying a variable. Then the actual implementation of that function part is function definition. That is int add of int a comma int b and followed by a open curly braces, and inside specifying the statement return a plus b semicolon and then finally close curly braces. This function is not ended with semicolon and it contains a block that is open and close curly braces. That is a function definition. If you before using of that function call, before itself you're defining a function. Function parameters. The function parameters in three types. It is a three possible way you using a function parameters. The first one is a passing by a value. There is function call using these parameters, and as well as the function declaration and definition using this three-step process. The first one is a passing by value. Inside a main function, if you call a function, that function passing a argument value, that is a direct value or user input value. It is a two optional. That is the first one. The second one, pass by reference. That is pass by reference to the actual variable. It's using a reference operator. The above example, pass by value, it is a two-step: actual argument and formal parameter. Actual argument and formal parameter individually to creating a memory spaces. But the reference called pass by reference, the pass by reference variable, you creating a common space for the both thing, actual parameter and formal parameter. It's referring a same memory spaces. Once you change the value, it will affect both memory spaces. That is the second one. The third one is default parameter, providing a default value to the parameter. For example, void display string msg equal to hello. Here void is a return type, display is a function name, string is a data type of the argument, msg is the argument variable. Inside a parameter list, you assign a value to the msg variable, that is hello. And inside a function definition, that message, that formal parameter, the content should be displayed using with the help of cout statement. The return statement, the next one is the return statement. Each function using a return statement. The function definition have a return type specified as a data type. That is, it's like a integer, float, double, string. It likewise compulsory inside a function definition using a return statement. That means your function definition have a task. If you're completing a task, that result value return to the main function with the help of that return keyword. That is, send a value back to the caller. And the syntax is return, expression is ended with semicolon. The statement inside a function definition block. For example, int square of int num, open curly braces, return num into num semicolon. This is a function definition part. The formal parameter num value, it is multiplied by 2 times, that is the square of a number. That result returned to the caller function. The recursive function, a function calling itself in any number of times, that process is called as a recursive function. Example, int factorial of int n. Inside that function definition, if n less than or equal to 1, the condition is true, return 1. The condition is false, return n into factorial of n minus 1. That return n into factorial of n minus 1, it is the same function call itself. That is called as a recursive function. Thank you.